guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's December, so that means time for holiday looks. I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and the first color I'm going to use is Rustic. I will tap this on my lid with a flat eyeshadow brush and I will build it up in little steps. Start with applying close to your lash line and go higher. I'm applying this color above my natural crease because I have hooded up. I will blend the outer edges without any color, and after that I will take the color Burnt Orange to blend Rustic. And apply more of Rustic with that same flat eyeshadow brush. I will take a little bit of the color Rustic with the same brush as I blend Burnt Orange with, and I will blend the color a little bit higher. And blend the hard lines with this clean blending brush. And apply more of Rustic for the last time. So this is my favorite part of this tutorial because this is what made this look a holiday look. This Kiko Milano eye pencil in number 4. I love the shimmery maroon color, and I'll apply this close to my lash line. Don't be like Najla, don't push too hard on your pencil. And I'll also apply the Kiko Milano eye pencil in my waterline and close to my lower lash line. And this is what it looks like now. I pushed it back. I will blend the first color on my lower lash line, and it's rustic. The next color is Sienna. This color fits well with the eye pencil, so that's why I am applying this on top of rustic. And blend everything together with burnt orange and this blending brush. Add some sparkle in the inner corner with this Kiko Milano eyeshadow.
Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
I will highlight my brow bone with the color Glistening. And I will apply some mascara on my lashes and my bottom lashes, and I'm using the Sigma Sinuosity. I don't know how to pronounce it. And this is the result of today's look. Let me know what you think about this look, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you by my next video. Bye bye!